Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, Public Relations 101, and in today's video we're going to discuss press conferences. What are press conferences? Press conferences are essentially your client's opportunity to create media buzz, to create breaking news by sharing key milestone announcements. The way press conferences work and your role in it is to invite the media, this time in multiple, so it's not a one-on-one interview. The feel is different. You have an audience full of media personnel, and those media personnel, after the initial remarks by the client's organization, and if the client has a partner, then the partner's organization, it is the media's turn to ask questions en masse. You normally see this happen during White House conference briefings, you see it happen during sporting events, you see it happen almost everywhere. But the idea of a press conference is to invite the media en masse and to share information and to open yourself up to question. With press conferences, you find yourself managing two sides of the equation. The first side of the equation is the media, and the second side of the equation is the client. With respect to the media, you need to give them a reason to be there, you need to tell them when to be there, and for you to tell them when to be there, you need to make sure that there are no larger events that could be competing for the media's attention happening on the dates that you have invited them. And the last thing you need to manage when you invite the media is to let them know the general area, the general topic that will be discussed or which the news will concern. But in addition to that, the different spokespeople from the client side that will be there to answer the questions. This is a very important aspect that will determine whether the media attend the conference or if they don't. The second side of the equation that you'll need to manage is your clients. Your clients need to know that while the media has been briefed, while they've been told that they will be there to discuss a particular area, while they don't know the breaking news, the particular area of information which the news will concern, your clients need to know that the media can ask them any question. And if the media has broadcast media, their responses will be recorded real time and could be transmitted real time to the public. So press conferences are a little bit of a tricky business in that sense. The second thing you need to work with your clients on is they need to be very well prepared when it comes to talking points. They need to know exactly what they're there to discuss. They need to know the relevant aspects of their organization that they want to bring attention to. They need to know precisely how the news that they're breaking, or they need to be very well rehearsed in delivering the news and how it impacts the market and impacts the market in years to come maybe. So finally, in conclusion, when you are calling press conferences, remember, you're managing two sides of the equation. You're managing the media, you're managing your clients, and you need to make sure that both sides are well prepared on what can be discussed during the press conference. Your clients need to know that beyond the breaking news that they want to discuss, they might be open to other questions. They need to be well prepared on how to navigate these questions through the power of the talking points that you prepare for them. And with respect to the media, they need to know that they might end up asking other questions, but the purpose of the press conference is to discuss the breaking news in the larger category which you have elaborated upon in the media invitations. Good luck for your next press conference. Thank you for watching. Folks, I post new content regularly, so please remember to subscribe and like my channel if you want to put a PR spin on your future in the communications game.